my channel. I hope you guys are well wherever you are. If you're new here, so glad to have you. As you can see by the title, today we are going to be doing an unboxing of the Nama J2, the cold press juicer. And I am so excited, you guys. I can barely keep my composure. I have had the Omega VSJ843, I think it is, somewhere around there. I've had that juicer for over 5 years and it has done me very well. It has served its purpose. But now, ta-da! I have a new juicer, baby, and I'm so excited about it. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. It just came in the mail, it just arrived, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So we're gonna do a whole unboxing right now. This is the Nama J2 cold press juicer, made in Korea. Wow, look how beautiful that is. Okay, so the box alone is beautiful. So let's open this bad boy up. Woo, it's kind of heavy. It says open here. It has some tape here I need to cut open. Open, open, surprise! Let's see. Ooh. Okay, so in the box it says a warm welcome from Nama, namawell.com, and then look how organized they have the parts. They just really, Nama doing their thing here. Okay, so they have the base here. They have it all organized and boxed. We have the base. Pretty heavy. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the base. This is the cord. So I did get the white. Uh-oh. Just gonna set that aside. Woo! So I did choose the white one. So pretty. So I'm gonna get everything unboxed and then we'll go ahead and assemble everything. This is the chamber. Start here, this is the manual. A warm welcome. It talks about the layering, how you're supposed to layer in the hopper. Start with the bottom leafy, then soft, medium, hard at the top. Okay. It's just a minute, right?
That's only for babies.
Wow. Super nice. Okay. I am so excited, you guys. I know you're probably like, it's just a juicer. It's not just a juicer. This is like one of the top juicers on the market right now. Really stoked about it. So I'm gonna lay this down. A smoothie strainer. Smoothie strainer. Okay, I have to see what that is. Haven't had one of those before. We have the pulp container. So this is for your pulp and this is for your juice. Then it comes with just a little bit. Last but not least is the cleaning brush. The pusher and the cleaning brush. So this fits inside. And then we have the cleaning brush. Now we can put the box away. The box is beautiful. So I'm very excited to be upgrading to this juicer. For one, this is supposed to be cutting back on prep time, or it's more so for batch juicing. So I'm very excited for that. I'm gonna be able to just put my batch in here, and this little thing here chops it for you, and then it feeds it into the auger. It's supposed to be one of the top juicers on the market. This is Nama's second juicer. I ordered this one. I ordered this juicer, I think, on the 9th or the 10th, and it took about 2 weeks for it to arrive. So it is like popular in demand right now. So the shipping time is taking a little bit longer, and I did purchase the white one. The black one was even further back stock, so it was going to take even longer to receive that one. So I just opted out for the white. I actually really love the white. It looks better in person. So I'm very excited to get it washed up and start juicing with it. Looks very sleek. I don't know how I'm gonna fit it underneath my cabinet. It might fit, I'm not sure. Let me see if it fits. So this is my Omega here, and it does fit just perfect. So I think it is gonna fit perfect underneath my cabinet, so that's a good thing. I wasn't sure about it with this extra piece on here. I wasn't sure how it was gonna fit, but it looks like it's gonna fit just awesome. So it does have a warranty on this juicer. The warranty for the motor is 15 years on the motor itself, and then the parts are just for 2 years. It would be nice if Nama covered the whole thing. Unfortunately, it's just on the motor, which the motor probably won't go out. Like I said, I did have the Omega for over 5 years, and that one is still going strong. Haven't had any issues with it. So I don't foresee the motor going out on this one either. This was made in Korea. So the directions were very clear, very easy to assemble. You saw that I just put it on here and it's good to go. I think this is gonna be a game changer for me. I'm really looking forward to the fact that you can juice soft vegetables in this as well. With my previous juicer, I did usually have to make blends. For example, I wasn't able to juice like strawberries or things like that. Any soft vegetables, my Omega was not a juicer for that. So I would juice all hard vegetables and then blend the soft vegetables together with that juice, and I would make a blend. This, however, you don't have to do that separately. You can put everything in here, and it is just a one-stop shop. So I'm very excited about that. I'm really excited to make my first juice with this. I really wanted to include that demonstration in today's video, but I'm just really short for time, and I just couldn't wait any longer. So I wanted to go ahead and open it up with you guys so that I could just give you guys the honest feedback so you can see how it looked straight out of the box. If you really want to save time and you're not going to have time to pre-cut your vegetables, I think this juicer will be great for you. Compared to some other juicers, including my old juicer, I had to pre-cut a lot of things. With this juicer, it does it all for you, and that is why it's ideal for batch juicing. It's supposed to make things quick and easy. You don't have to feed anything, it just does it all for you. So this is the first of many videos to come, you guys. I'm sure I'm gonna have so many videos to come, including the star of the show here, the Nama J2. So the recipe book is very interesting. It says, we believe in helping nurture wellness rituals through connecting with food, nature, and community. And it has a bunch of, it goes in talking about healthy living, and then it has quite a few recipes that I will be trying out. I have my go-to juices, but I'm definitely open to trying some new ones. It talks about how this is a cold press juicer and how the auger is quiet. It spins at 50 RPMs to slowly press fruit and vegetables against the micro perforations in the juice strainer. This action opens up the food cell membranes, releasing its deep-seated liquid loaded with nutrients and enzymes. So it says this juicer might take a little time out of your day, but the time is well worth the effort. And then it goes into selecting the ingredients. Bright is always best. Fresh smell, no wrinkles. Dirt is your friend. Storing your juice. Your juice can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for 24 to 48 hours and up to 72 hours max. If you need to store juices longer, we suggest you freeze them. Because of the oxidation, when fruits and vegetables are juiced, the cell walls of the produce are broken down, which cause nutrients to be exposed to air, heat, and light. And the longer a juice sits around, the more the nutrients will be oxidized and damaged. It is best to drink your juices immediately after preparing and consume them within 48 hours. And that is why I like to store my juices in mason jars, and I try to fill them all the way to the top if possible. And I'm also looking into a vacuum pump so that I will be able to store the juices for longer. But I totally agree, if you're not able to drink it right away or within 48 hours, you should freeze them. Then it just goes into talking about how to layer the fruit, and it even has strawberries listed here, what I'm very excited about because I've never been able to juice strawberries. Morning dew, mint, basil, lime, charred leaves, honeydew, and green apples. They got some good ones in here. And then this, a guide just tells you the parts overview, how to assemble the chamber and the hopper, and then just some additional tips. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, you guys. Thanks for watching to the end. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the Nama J2 if you already have one. Do you think that it's totally worth it? Curious to hear from people if you already own the juicer. Like I said, I'm very excited. I've been eyeing this juicer for some time now. I have finally pulled the trigger on it. And now I'm part of the Nama J2 family, and I'm very excited. Make sure you guys leave me a comment down below. Hit that subscribe button and join the family, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.